If you are a business owner, if you have your business on WhatsApp, I want to tell you 3 ways to start making sales on WhatsApp as a app. So I don't want you to waste your WhatsApp opportunity as a business owner. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are just meeting me for the first time, my name is Temi. I teach business owners how to triple their sales on social media and how to strategically place their brand, ways that they can easily make sales, and how to make content that sell. So if these are the things that resonate with you and you're seeing my face for the first time, kindly click on the subscribe button, like this video, and come back for more, because on this channel I'm going to give you different tips, different ideas, different enlightenment to make your business thrive on social media. Welcome. I want to tell you 3 ways to start making sales on WhatsApp as an app. And the first one, of course, is WhatsApp status. People still view WhatsApp status, even though a lot of people tell you that they don't watch WhatsApp status. People still view WhatsApp status. Let no one lie to you. You just have to be very strategic about how you post on your WhatsApp status. This is very, very important if you want to win on WhatsApp as a business. You know, instead of posting your product entirely on your status, mix the content with memes. You can mix the content with videos. You can mix the content with customer review, with videos of your brand, with videos of other things that you do, or you can just use it to tell story. People really love storytelling, and storytelling is going to thrive on WhatsApp status if you use it for your business. The second way you can make sales from WhatsApp is utilizing the broadcast lists. This is available on WhatsApp Business. Make sure that you have multiple lists of people that have bought from you in the past. You know, this is a strategic way of making sales. Yes, you think what I'm thinking? Yes. List of people that have showed interest in your product in the past, that have shown interest in your product at any point in time. And also make sure that you have list of your existing customers. You can also have list of people that buy in all your sales or buy from a particular state where you know, so that you can promote different kinds of offer to these people using the broadcast list. Now, the last way you can begin to make sales with WhatsApp, yes, WhatsApp as a business owner, to make more money for your brand, is to direct your audience, your followers from TikTok, your followers from Facebook, your followers from Instagram, direct them to your WhatsApp. Yes, this allows them to save your contacts. It also helps you as a business owner to add them to your broadcast list. The most effective way to do this is during discount sales or offers or any kind of promotions that you are currently doing in your business. Anytime you are doing sales, you have more leads. When I mean leads, I mean more contacts. Okay, when you tell them that buying on WhatsApp attracts bigger percentage of discounts. Let's say you are having a birthday sales or a New Year sales or Christmas sales and you are offering 50% discounts. You can tell your audience and your customer that buying on WhatsApp will attract them extra 20% discounts. That way, you are going to have a lot of people from your business pages coming directly to your WhatsApp by sending message. And once you do that, you can add all of these lists that you have to your broadcast list. If you love these tips and you like to learn how to make money with your content and how to strategically position your business as a small business owner or large business owner that wants to make sales on social media, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly like this content, share to more than 5. See you on the next one. Bye.